Hello everyone. In this video we will be demonstrating about LNG-IUS, that is levonorgestrel intrauterine system, which is also called Mirena. Now this is the Mirena. This is the packet which will come. The cost of Mirena, sometimes it is asked in examination, it is around 3,500 to 3,800 market cost. It is not available free of cost by Government of India as of now. It contains levonorgestrel, which is second generation progesterone. So first let us see what are the indications of using LNG-IUS. When you go to palm point classification, these are the structural causes and these are the functional causes. You all know this, I am not going into detail. For polyp, we will of course not give progesterone because polyp is a structural cause, you have to do polypectomy. For adenomyosis, we will give progesterone. This is because adenomyosis is when the endometrium is impacted into the myometrium. So it proliferates because of estrogen, so you have to give progesterone. For fibroids, we do not give. For malignancy, we do not give. Coagulopathy, we do not give. Ovulatory causes, we give because ovulatory causes are because of estrogen, unopposed estrogen. For endometrial causes also we give because endometrial causes are also because of unopposed estrogen. For other causes we do not give. So once we have understood the indications, now let us see how the Mirena looks. Now this is the Mirena. Here the Mirena will be T-shaped and it comes in a preloaded fashion. This is the insertion tube with the guard and the slider here. So what happens is, just like the other insertion techniques of the copper T or something like that, the prerequisites will be followed. Then after that, patient lies down in supine position. Then painting and draping is done with the help of sterile gloves. After that, posterior vaginal wall is retracted with the sim speculum, anterior vaginal wall is retracted with anterior vaginal wall retractor. Then the cervix is viewed, anterior lip of the cervix is held with valsellum. Then we will measure the uterocervical length with the help of a uterine sound. Now suppose it is 8 centimeters. So what we will do is, with the help of sterile finger, we will adjust the guard up to 8 centimeters such that it is parallel to the T and at 8 centimeters. Now what we will do is, see the slider is always present in the place of the mark. So what we will do is, we will push the slider up. When we push the slider up, the slider goes up and the T which was in this fashion, it will be going upwards. So the T will come inside the insertion tube in a reverse fashion. So it gets loaded in the reverse fashion. So once it is loaded, now it is ready for insertion. We will put it into the uterine cavity such that the guard is 1.5 to 2 centimeters below the cervix. This is very important. We will not introduce up to the fundus now. Then what we will do is, we will pull the slider down till the point of the mark. So it is pulled till the point of the mark so that the LNG-IUS or the Mirena opens up. So it opens up. After that, what we will do is, the 1.5 to 2 centimeter which was below, now we will push it so that the guard touches the cervix. Once the guard touches the cervix, the Mirena has gone to the fundus. After that, we will just pull the slider down fully up to the last mark and then we will pull the insertion tube outwards and cut the thread when it is inside the insertion tube 1 to 2 centimeters below the cervix. Thank you.